Right, okay folks, welcome back to myself, Mr. Imran Iqbal teaching this lesson, factorization. We're looking at the Maths Watch CD, clip 104, grade C. Okay, so we're going to look at how we do these 4 sample questions. They are from the booklet itself, the Maths Watch CD, the actual questions. Now, when we're looking at factorization, we're looking to split the number up into its factors. So, when we look at these two elements here, 2x plus 4, we need to think, what do they share? Which factors do they have in common? Common factors. Okay, but actually we're looking for the highest common factor eventually. Now, 2x is made up of 2 times by x. The plus stays as a plus, and then we have 4. 4 is made up of 2 times by 2. 4 can be split up in 4 times by 1 as well, but that won't help us because the common factor is 2. We try and split it so the 2's come out. So now we get the 2's from here, 1 from each side. We pull it out and we copy down everything that we have left over. Okay, right, next question, y squared minus 2y. Now when we look at this one and we're looking for the highest common factor, what factors do both share? So y squared is made up of y times by y, minus 2y is made up of 2 times by y. So as we can see here, they both share a y as a common factor. So we pull that out and we're left with y minus 2. So what we're doing here is we're copying down the elements, y minus 2 into the brackets. Okay, let's have a look at this question over here. We have 3x minus 6. Now, we're looking at the 3, we're looking at the 6. We see that they both got 3 in common. They both have 3 as a common factor. Okay, so we can split this up into 3 times by x minus 3 times by 2. Okay, so the highest common factor that we're trying to pull out is a 3. Okay, now let's get the 3, circle it, pull it out. Now what do? We copy down everything that's left behind. So we have an x left behind, copy down, a minus, copy down, 2, copy down, done. Okay, last question but not least. We have 6x squared plus 9x. Here, in this particular question, the common factor is not only numerical but also the letter as well, one of the letters. So you can see there's a factor of x in here and also in here. So the highest common factor is, one of them is an x. 6 will divide by 3 and 9 will also divide by 3. So the highest common factor is 3. So that's our target to pull that out. So let's start splitting this up now. So 3 is made up of 3 times by 2. X squared is made up of x times by x. Big plus sign. 9x is made up of 3 times by 3 times by x. So what we are doing in these type of questions, we are splitting each part up into its factors. Okay? Once we split it into its factors, we can see where the common factors are. We can extract them. So we can see here the 3 is common and the x. Here the 3x is common. Okay? So don't worry about this one being separate, it's still the same, works the same way. So we get the 3x from over here. We get the 3x from over here. Copy the 3x down. Copy the remaining part of the expression down. So let's have a look. 2x bracket 2x is left here plus 3. How do we know that we've finished this particular expression? We know we've finished this factorization when by looking at what's inside the brackets. If we can't factorize that again, then we've finished. If for some reason you find that you got more common factors inside here, that means you haven't factorized it completely. So that means you haven't pulled out the highest common factor, you've pulled out common factors, so you need to go back and do it again. Okay, thank you very much for joining us on this short video. Please come back and join us on some more videos. Thank you.